Hey folks, I just wanted to take a second to make a video to explain a few things for you to refer to while I'm out. So we have our guitar string names. Here we are, and actually this is an empty chord chart. So we have our low E, it's that string closest to us, it's that thickest string, low E, then A, D, G, B, and E. If we were to put this into a chord chart, bam, here we go. So we have C major. It's always going to have the chord name here. We are looking at the neck of the guitar. If I were to take my guitar and put it on the board, strings facing you, this is exactly what you would see. So let's go to the left side. You should see my mouse. This is low E, A, D, G, B, high E. So we have these kind of boxes. These are our frets. We see that there's a one. That means your first finger, your pointer finger, remember one, two, three, four. Thumb does not count. Your first finger is in that first box, first fret on B. Second finger, middle finger is in that second fret, second box on D. And then third finger, ring finger, is on that third fret, third box on A. Now we have an X and two O's. The X means, hey, ignore the string, you're not playing it. So when you go to strum a C major chord, you are going to skip over low E and start on A, where your third finger is being held down. Those two O's mean, hey, you're gonna play this string, but it's open, ignore it. So that is for chord charts. And then let me move over if my computer will let me. Let's see. No, that's not it. Oh my goodness. All right, had a boomer moment. We're good now. Okay, so we have our tablature. And if we were, I don't like that example. There we go. If we were to look at our tablature, we are looking at the neck of the guitar, and tabs are great because it's really easy to read, really intuitive. A little flawed because it doesn't tell us the rhythm that we are playing this melody at. So you need to know the melody. I know that it says guess the song, this is Happy Birthday. So if we were to look, you kind of have to take your brain, flip it upside down, almost like you're standing on your head, because our low E, which is the closest string to us, is actually at the bottom right here of our tablature. So we have low E followed by A, D, G, B, and E. So if we were to look at our first note, it is on the A string and it has a number two. That number two is saying, hey, you're going to take your second finger, your middle finger, you're going to put it on the second fret, so that second box on the A string, and you're going to play it once. Guess what? The next note, it's the same note, happy. So you were to do the same thing. Then the next note is four. You're going to go from two, and you're going to go two more frets up, two more boxes up. You're going to have your pinky, bam, on A, fourth fret, play it, and it'll be four. I hope that makes sense. When we have our Mary Had a Little Lamb, Twinkle Twinkle, and Ode to Joy, I'm going to go back to Mary. There we go. You're going to see that there's a tab and then also a staff and also chord charts. If I'm saying that I want you to practice tabs, you're practicing the melody. There will be a time where we'll duet it, and part of us will be playing the tab while some of us are playing the chords. But for right now, every time you see something like this, I want you to look at the tabs, the melody. And this is nice because it shows you the lyrics, it shows you the rhythm. You don't need to know how to read a staff to be able to play it on tabs. I hope that makes sense. And I'm excited to see you guys again and touch base and see how we're rocking with those guitars. All right.